have no idea how long it's gonna take me to get home because this journey is gonna be the slowest journey I've ever had. Yo, what up everyone? It's your boy the Crackhead and I'm wishing you all a wonderful Friday. At this point we would say thank God it's Friday, but for me there is no thanking God it's Friday because we all know what that means. Whenever we say thank God it's Friday, it means we're gonna be expecting to going partying and having fun in the night. But here in Israel, in my region, it is raining. But literally, thank God it's Friday, because at least I'm alive on a Friday, so I still have to thank God. Fun or no fun, I still gotta thank God. It looks like winter is upon us because it's raining here, and this is the first serious rain since the time changed. Ogayu way they reverse the go. Right. Water is here. All right, just jump past that. So there's traffic because of the rain and because people are just driving anyhow. Everybody is in a hurry to get back home. Okay, I'm going to my bus stop to wait for my bus. I think it's somewhere at the back. Okay. Where is my bus? I'm waiting for 66 or 50. Do I have one in my card? I'm gonna check. Okay, my bus is here. I have no idea how long it's gonna take me to get home because this journey is gonna be the slowest journey I've ever had. Since I got in, we haven't moved. Right now, I think we're starting to move, but then it's gonna be very slow. Sorry. Open for her. Thank you. All right. So I know this journey is gonna be very slow, so I'm gonna switch off the camera and actually check if I have money in my card, because I don't know if it actually went through. Apparently, the journey wasn't that slow as I thought. I thought it was gonna be very slow because of the rain. I thought there was gonna be much traffic, but thankfully It wasn't that long. It was just like every other ride when there is no rain. So I'm heading now to my house, even though I should have stopped right in front of my house, but I love walking this short walk. The bus actually stops right in front of my house, but I just enjoy the walk, rain or no rain. It's been a long time I haven't been in the rain, even though I don't actually like the rain because it makes everywhere wet. But well, it's gonna be walking the walk. So how are you guys gonna be spending your Friday? Anyhow you're gonna be spending it, make sure you have fun. Rain or no rain, snow or no snow. Yeah, because there's some countries that is snowing right now. Still gotta have fun, right? Irrespective how the weather looks like in your location, unless it is raining, thunder and lightning, cats and dogs. Maybe you can decide to chill at home, watch Netflix. Yeah, because if it rains, cats and dogs, well, your movement is gonna be limited with car or without car. I wanted to go to Tel Aviv just after work, but the weather disrupted my movement. And good for me, I didn't ride my bicycle today. Well, I already saw the weather forecast. I knew it was gonna be raining. I don't understand those people that ride their bicycles in the rain. I just don't understand. They prefer to wear bags, as in nylon transparent bags on them, to be riding. And they know for sure that it's risky. The saddest part is sometimes you see these guys ride in the rain with top speed, and you're like, do these guys don't think about their lives? Because the ground is wet and slippery, and besides, you're only riding on two tires that are not even as big as motorcycle tires. So why would you risk your life that way? If you've decided to ride in the rain, why speed? Well, you're speeding because you're trying to get to your destination faster, but while doing that, please be cautious, because wet ground might be your enemy. And if you're African, you might blame it on your village people. That's when you remember that you have a relation that doesn't like you. It is not your relation, it's not your village people. It's because you were careless. It's because you were in a hurry. It's because you thought you can maneuver nature. No, you can't. Nature always wins. So be careful while you're riding on your bicycle in the rain. That is if you do. My neighborhood, very soon I'm gonna be in my house. See you guys. Bye.